Now that we are through now, let's drop column that we need for our machine learning because we are going to our machine learning model now. Let's check the one that we are going to drop. We are going to drop, I think, transaction ID and date. These are the items we are going to drop from this table. So let's drop them. We have df dot drop columns, curly brace, no, curly brace. We have columns equals to, no, column is equals to transaction ID. We don't have any, no, we have transaction now, so it's transaction that we're going to drop. So now we also want to do date. We have date, then put it, no, I think we did a wrong something there. We have date in place equals to true. So let's drop, we are going to drop transaction and date. I think column 2, I think we do the drop column customer 2, we have to drop customer. We don't want customer. Is that spelling correct? Customer. Okay. So let's run this now and see what we have. Let's run it. So let's see the df.head. Let's see what we have. So good. So what we have left now is gender, age, product, quantity, price, and amount. However, since we dropped transaction date and customer from our earlier data frame, and we now have a new data frame called gender, age, product, quantity, price, and amount. Let's find the data type information of our data set. We said info, we have df dot info, no, info bracket close. Let's run it and see what we have. So our data type info is gender column with object, while age is int 64, product is object, quantity is int 64, price is int 64, amount is int 64. We have gender and product as a category value. In any data set, anywhere you see a object is category value. So let's just convert our category value into numerical value, because in machine learning cannot convert category value except we convert it to numerical value. And to do that, we either use this commonly method, 1, replace method, 2, one-hot encoder method, and 3, malfunction method. However, whenever we have more than 3 category values in a column, we use pandas dummies. So let's find the unique value for this category first before we start using the map functions. So let's find the unique value first. Unique value for gender is, we have gender. We want to find out the unique values in the gender column. So let's say gender dot unique bracket close, no, bracket close. Let's run it. On the gender column, we have male, female. So on the gender column, we have the unique value that we have is male and female. So let's assign 0 to male and 1 to female. Let's go. We say the F gender equals to the F We have gender dot map, because we are using map function here. Curly brace. We have male equals to 0, 0. We assign 0 to male. Then female, we assign 1 to female. One to female. So let's run it and see. Let's check the map. Okay, gender, df gender. Let's run it and see what we have. So now let's see the first 5 column of our new data frame. df dot head bracket close. We can see we've converted the gender column to numerical value. You can see 001, 01, 000. So let's do the same what we did here to product, because the second category value is product. So let's do the same. So we have to say, okay, let's do the same. Let's copy these ones and change the unique the unique the unique column. Let's check the unique column. Let's copy these functions here and put it here. Our unique column is product. You can see it's product beauty. So say product. So let's copy the other one too. Let's find out. Let's copy the other one here. Then let's find the unique let's find a unique product in our product column. Let's do that again. Our unique column has the unique of beauty, clothes, electronics. So now, let's assign 1 to beauty, 2 to clothing, and 3 to electronics. Let's do it. So here we change this one to what? To beauty. Which is 1. And this one to clothing. Which is 2, comma. Let's for electronics X. Let's assign 3 to that. So let's change the F to product, because product column we are looking for now. Unique value product. So let's see, maybe we've done the right thing here. See, let's run this one out too. So let's see the first 5 rows of our data set. df dot head. Let's run it. Good. We can see that we have converted our category value into numerical value. We have on gender and on product. Now we have everything's on numbers now. So what goes? Let's find the descriptions.